Good morning. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's doing well. This morning, I'm putting the finishing touch on this basket that I made for my daughter's graduation tomorrow. So I'm going to wrap it. This is what it looks like. I don't know if my camera is doing it justice, but this is what it looks like. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this baby wrapped. Keep in mind, oh boy, I have no idea what in the world I'm doing here, but we're going to get it done. So I already see that I'm going to need more papers here on, let's see. Let's see. Do I need? So yeah. So I'm going to have to put, yeah, I'm going to have to add some paper to this side here. Okay, for right now, let me go ahead and secure this top. Okay, so let me secure the top and this one. I need to do. Okay, we can make this work. Where's my tape? There we go. Come back to that. Let's see what we have on the other side. Yes, that I could have made it more to the top for the bow. Okay. So far, this is what it looks like. Mm. All right, so now I do have to put a bow up here, and I'm not sure. I think I might go with this. I have a bunch of bows here from Christmas and other occasions that I never use. And I think this one would probably go good up here. And along with that, I might put, I might put a, I might combine the two of these. Now, I've never made bowls before, so this is something that I'm going to do offline because it's going to be a struggle for me. But this is just to give you an idea, well, to show you the concept that I came up with for my daughter. And I think she would love it. I love it. I think she would love it, and I hope you all love it too. So thank you again for watching. Thank you for supporting my page by visiting. Please hit like and subscribe. And you can also please share this video so that others can see a little of what I'm doing here and hopefully come along and support your girl. So thank you very much. You all have a wonderful, blessed weekend. Bye.